Hey guys, Chris here. I am recording this old school, just talking. Got the laptop here and I'm having issues with my microphone. This is a USB microphone that I've been using for a year to do my videos. And recently, this thing has coughed up a fur ball and it is not recognizing. I'll show you what's going on. I've got the microphone plugged in, and let's say I've got some video here and I just want to do voiceover, right? This is the way I've been doing it for the past year with my videos. So you go record narration and microphone USB device, okay? And then you hit record over here and this is what pops up. It says Movie Maker. Sorry, Movie Maker can't record audio or video from the selected device. Please make sure device is installed properly and not currently in use in another program, and then try again. I have been pulling my teeth out trying to figure out what is going on. It just all of a sudden just stopped working. Now here's the goofy thing. I take this microphone and USB into my desktop computer, which has Movie Maker, and it's been updated, and it works just fine. I tried another microphone on this laptop here. It still doesn't work. And then I just tried the microphone out with, audio and listen and all that stuff, and it appears the microphone is working fine. It's just the Movie Maker deal is just not lining up with the microphone. And this all started when I did the Windows update. It's like an automatic type thing, but this one said, would you like a specific time to do it and all this. I did that, updated the damn thing, and all of a sudden Movie Maker's not working. And get this, I went over my desktop, and it did its updater thing, but the Movie Maker's still working on the desktop. But why isn't it working on this laptop? And trust me, I've been through the actual software. I deleted it and reloaded Windows Live Essentials 2012. That didn't help. All the drivers, I went through every single frickin' driver. Check this out. What you do is you go over here, close this nonsense out, cancel. And I love this laptop, by the way. No. So you go over here, go to Properties, go to Device Manager, and you have all these frickin' drivers in here that you can update. You go to the microphone doesn't even have a freaking driver on there. So you update driver, search automatically, blah blah blah, yakety schmackety. I've been through every single one of these. Some of them are really huge too, like network adapters, and it's clicked on and it updated. None of that helped at all. Turned off antivirus. Goodness gracious, what else did troubleshooter ask me to do on here? I can't remember, but I'm just looking for you guys' advice here. This microphone, it's a great Fifine, F-I-N-E, for $30 on Amazon. I love this mic, but it's just not working with this laptop in Movie Maker. And that's how I do, most of my uploads. I can go into the desktop and work from there, but I really want it, have all my music clips and files and all this stuff, ready to go to make movies on my laptop. So I don't know, guys. I've about lost my freaking mind. I'm thinking about swapping hard drives because they're both SSD Samsung Evo 850s. Taking the hard drive out of this into the desktop, and then take the desktops, which I know that doesn't have any corrupted or conflicts, and put it in here and then fire it up and see what happens. I don't know. You guys tell me. Thanks for your advice, and let me know if you have any ideas, and we'll see you next time.